Hello viewers, today we talk about one new project which name is Ranger Protocol. The project is a very bright future because I really think this project is too perfect to be true. This is a very cool and innovative project. This project is a very bright future. This is a modern high potential project. The team is very reliable. It is immediately evident that Ranger Protocol, first of all, we will discuss about home, blog, technology, docs and about us. We click there to easily join this awesome project Telegram group, and every update about this project we are easily received through Telegram group. Virtual world blockchain infrastructure. Ranger Protocol is actually a one blockchain infrastructure. We scroll down to talk about more about this project. We see backed by. We click there view more to we see all the backed by of this project and our partners. View more to we see all the partners of this awesome project easily. This is the awesome project. Dodo, Mixma, Marvel, Binance Smart Chain. Very important smart chains are partners of this awesome project. Ranger Protocol. This project is a very promising project and development modern technology, a good team, fast development dynamics. As far as I can see, it is the project that attract a lot of attention. There is no negative review and comment as long as these likes continue in the. So we will discuss about more Ranger Protocol. Features of Ranger Protocol. High security. Ranger Protocol give to his member high security and bridging consensus and NFT protocols, real-time response, developer friendly. Ranger Protocol looks very interesting. I am confident that the project will show itself well in the future. I really want to support the development team and say everyone please join this awesome project. Consensus. Ranger Protocol adopts a consensus system based on the Relay chain and the smart contract that verifies multiple signatures deployed on the public chain to ensure security of user access. And the developer-friendly real-time response. Ranger Protocol integrates real-time confirmation of transaction. This is amazing endeavor and definitely is a project with a lot of potential and projection toward the future because the possibilities to grow. Our partners. This is the partners of this project. We've clicked there to see all the partners of this project. Dodo, Chainweaves, Venkarepto, DApex, Tron, every most blockchains are interesting of this project and partnership of this project. Backed by. This is all the backed by of this project. We all to list are here. It is really a great project, strong team and an ambitious project. Carefully watched. Would recommend friend to look at the startup. We see that our developers, we click there to see all the developers of this awesome project. Max Marvel, Pocket, Cube, Ranger Tech. This is the roadmap of this amazing project. Those are Ikis Q3, Q2, Q1. They have a great sense of responsibility and they make every step of this project with intelligence. Very good project. Milestone, target, key features, compatible with Ethereum NFT, compatible with Ethereum DApp 2021 Q2, and the Q2 relay chain based cross chain assist solution Q1 and Q2. Everyone discussed there. This is the awesome team. Jed, Josie, Mary, etc., Alina, Nicholas. It is very amazing team, amazing, promising, responsible person in this team. This is the virtual blockchain infrastructure of the awesome project. We click there to see our technology. which use of this project. Architecture, this is the awesome technology who use this awesome project, cross chain solution based on relay chain, everything mentioned in there in the diagram. NFT life cycle, NFT set publishment, NFT minting, NFT transaction, NFT destruction, everything is mentioned is there. EVM enhancement, and this diagram, this table show every function about this project. We see and we read carefully to everything we satisfy, and everything we understand. We come back to the home, and you see this my personal opinion is that this project is a very great project, great potential to everyone join this. Thank you very much.